Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install SimpliSafe Indoor Camera with SimpliSafe app. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by unpacking your SimpliSafe Indoor Camera. Ensure you have the included power adapter and cable. Identify an appropriate location for your camera. Choose a spot that provides a clear view of the area you want to monitor. Plug the power adapter into the camera and then into a nearby wall outlet. Once powered on, the camera will emit a sound and the LED light will turn on. Next, download the SimpliSafe app from the App Store or Google Play. Open the app and sign in to your existing SimpliSafe account or create a new one. On the home screen, tap the menu icon to access the settings. Select Add Device from the list of options. Choose Indoor Camera from the available device types. Follow the on-screen prompts to connect the camera to your Wi-Fi network. Make sure you have your Wi-Fi password ready for this step. The app will guide you through the Wi-Fi connection process. Once connected, you will see a confirmation message on your screen. Next, you will be prompted to name your camera. Enter a name that helps you identify its location easily. After naming the camera, you can customize your settings. Adjust motion detection sensitivity and notification preferences as desired. Once you've configured the settings, tap Save to finalize the setup. Your camera will start streaming live video to the app. You can now view the live feed from anywhere using the SimpliSafe app. Explore additional features like recording and snapshot options within the app. Your camera installation is now complete, and you're ready to monitor your space securely. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.